Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about a breakout which has happened after a span of 25 years. So we are going to talk about CTD Holdings Inc, and this is the monthly chart of this particular stock. Now as you can see here, this was the high that the stock has made in the year 1995, and the stock has now made a breakout above this level after 25 plus years, which means a lot for this stock, and it does tells us or indicate us that we are going to see a big upside if this breakout holds. So let's discuss about that. Now this is the level inside which the stock was trading for the past 25 years or more than 2 decades, 2.5 decades. So this is actually big, and those who are holding for long and those who are patiently holding for 20 years, now it's the time for them to get rewarded. Okay, now if you're analyzing the trend, you will see that the trend has actually started from a point 0.016, and the two important resistance was 2.5 and 4.7. Okay, actually 2.5 in 2000 and 4.7 in 1996. And meanwhile you have lots of different support levels as well. Previously they are your resistance level. Now with this breakout they are now become your support level. So you below 2.5 you have 0.89, then 0.1, then you have 0.03 and 0.016. Now you may find amusing because these levels in absolute terms are very low, but if you are considering it in terms of percentage, then you will find that it worth 14,000%. Okay, so the move actually worth, so if you measure the current move, it actually worth 18,000% worth of returns. So the way you are looking at it is different. Now I can't say that, because technically what will happen that after this big breakout the stock may give us the same amount of return after that or beyond this breakout or after the breakout. So I cannot simply tell you that it will give you 14,000% worth of return, which will actually taken the price or towards $380. But this is quite unexceptional. This is exceptional, and this kind of target are sometimes may not sound logical. So we are not going to fix any target here. What we are going to do here is simply tell you that hold on to your levels for at least 2 years. I'm not going to fix any target. Technically we are using this term or using this point at $380. Now whether it will come or not, we will see after 2 or 3 years. Okay, so this is a trend at least to hold for 2 or 3 years, but one need to make sure that the stock first must not go below 4.7 and at least 2.5. So these are your two important support levels. So if the stock falls below 2.5, the trend is over, which means the stock will again fall back into its previous trading range, and it will then go down, okay, and retest its previous lows. But if the stock is holding at or in between or above first 2.52 and 4.7 in and 4.7 for the time being, which is its current support or immediate support. So either the stock will hold above 4.7, or if it does fall, it should not fall or it must not fall below 2.5. If these two criteria satisfy, then we will simply hold the trend for next 1 or 2 years, and we have set a number at $380, and let's see what will happen. Now to support my statement, I have only one thing to say. The kind of liquidity which US Fed is pumping into the market, and moreover, in the next 2 years, you will see the price for most of the stock at a much higher or inflated levels that you cannot see right now. So let's see how things work out, and I have faith on that. And let's see how the trend will look like after a span of 2 or 3 years. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.